There's like 15 carp just sunning right here. You can see a few of them, but it's crazy. Carp on. Getting away from the other ones. Well, just pulled out this little carp, maybe 2 pounds, not very big. A little piece of bread. Cool yellowish color on his tail, big belly. Just gonna put him back. He's gone. A lot bigger. A lot bigger this time. Yup. Oh my Lord. Yeah, this boy's a lot bigger. Popped off. Pretty much. Probably about an 8 or 10 pounder. Carp. Dang, he popped right off. Not what I like to see.
What music is that I hear? Something to try and make you feel at home.
Nice fish. Cool scales on top. Another nice largie. Let's pull him out the water. Smallest one of the day. Just hit the water. Oh, aggressive little guy. Alright, I'm gonna apologize for the wind noise right now. It is very windy. I do not have a pop filter. But we got me and Ben out here. We're just fishing some swim bait type baits. I got a swim jig with a little grub on it. He's just got a, well, he's got a fish right now. And he's got a, just a plain swim bait on a weightless hook. And we're just catching some pre-spawn bass. I think we got the system, or the not system. I can't think of the word right now. We got the situation figured out pretty well. And we're catching some bass. That's probably like is that the second or third one you caught?
This would be the second.
That's second. I caught like 4?
4,
3 or 4, so that's 6 fish in like 20, maybe like 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe.
Yeah, about 20.
We weren't even planning on fishing that much. We're gonna work on filming the intro, the channel intro, which may or may not be at the beginning of this video, I'm not sure yet. And we started catching fish, so, oh yep. Oh, way out there. Oh, hey, hold on to that. We'll get a double. I love catching them way out there. Oh, there we go. That's a better one. That's probably about the size of that. Well, maybe a little bit smaller than that first bigger one. But right there. That's thumbnail right there. Dang, that's pretty cool. I love doubling up. Nothing huge, but we're catching fish is all that matters. You gonna put yours back? So yeah, good times out here at the neighborhood pond. Oh, there they go. But yeah, like I said, I think we got the pattern figured out. That's the word, pattern. Enough of that. Back to fishing. Hey, Ric Flair, drip, go. Ooh, on the beat. Oh, perfect timing, right as I set the hook. I knocked the heck out of the camera, but oh, perfect bass drop moment.
Chopper with the skull, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair, drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spent the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool with the hits.
There we go, bass all day. Nothing crazy, but we just got out of school and we're catching fish. Oh, I did not set that hook properly. Let's go try on the other side of the drainage pipe. I was not ready for that. Oh, no, there he goes. A bison that'll last. Yeah. Here's a shad. Dead shad. Ben's got one. Oh, you got a jump on there.
Oh, man.
You're upset. Right here, this was the juice today. And he started fishing with just one of the grubs. It worked.